Guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video will be a fall inspired drugstore get ready with me look. It came out cute and simple, didn't take long at all. It took maybe about 20 minutes. So if you want to see how I got this look and what drugstore products I use, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys. Okay guys, so I'm taking my P.LOUISE blank canvas base to prime my lids, and I'm just using a Shop Miss A brush, so nothing fancy or anything. And I love this base because it makes your colors stand out and it doesn't take a lot of work to blend it. So it's good for beginners like myself. So I'm using the Tammy X Revolution palette. I finally got this palette and I love it. So the first shade I'm using is Sunrise for my crease, and it's a kind of orange shade, not a deep orange, not a bright orange, kind of like a muted orange shade. And I was really impressed with these eyeshadow pigments. It did not take a lot of blending at all, and they really showed up on my skin tone. So yeah, I'm just taking this brush. I had that brush forever. It's funny how you always gravitate toward, you know, what you know. So the next shade I'm going with is Horizon, and it's a kind of dark rusted brown, not brown, orange. And so I'm just using that in my outer V, and I'm going to sweep it inside my crease a little bit, just to give me some depth without, you know, going overboard and making it look really smoky or anything like that. So yeah, you see me shaking my head because I'm like, oh, these eyeshadows are good. So next I'm going to take this shade Sundown, and this is a true orange shade. So I just wanted to take that and put that on my lid because I was going for an orange look. I wanted to use one palette and I wanted an orange eye look. So I just decided if I use different orange shades, then it might work. So I use the shade Coconuts, and that's the deepest brown shade inside of the palette, to put it on my outer V to give me a little bit of depth. I didn't want to go in with black because I didn't want to lose all the orange work that I did. So this is like a simple look, simple for beginners like myself. Then I use the shade Sunset, which is a glittery orange shade, and I just use that as a topper on the inner part of my eye. Last shadow I use Sun Rays, and for Sun Rays, no, that's crazy, that's Sunset. The one before that was Afterglow. So I put Afterglow in the inner part of my eye and Sunset in my tear ducts. So I'm using my primer, which y'all know, the e.l.f. JELLYPOP primer and the Makeup Revolution blurring primer in Strawberry Whip. So I use that for my base of my face. I love the combination. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I run out of this e.l.f. JELLYPOP because I think it's discontinued. And I use my L'Oreal Infallible foundation in 525. This is the perfect foundation, drugstore foundation you can get. Like, if you want a drugstore foundation and you don't know which one to get, try this. It's full coverage, it's lightweight, it looks amazing on the skin, it's very long wearing, and yeah, I must be just having a moment. I don't know what I was doing. I'm just taking a random sponge. It's not damp or anything. I find that I don't like a damp sponge, so I'm just using that to blend out the foundation of any streaks or anything that I might have caused with the brush. I love a brush, but a brush does leave streaks sometimes. So for concealer, it's the Infallible L'Oreal and the L.A.GIRL FAWN. So I'm using that to highlight. I don't know, I feel like that L.A.GIRL FAWN concealer, I think it depends on where you purchase it from. It seems like the shades differ. The name is still the same, but I can get FAWN from here and then FAWN from there, and they're two different shades. And this is the Morphe Effect, I think, contour stick or whatever, in shade 19. And I look like that because I know I had another one in a lighter shade because this was kind of dark and I got scared. But anyway, I'm blending it out. I love these brushes I picked up from Shop Miss A. So I'm just blending that out first with a contour brush, and it wasn't too bad once I blended out. I was scared at first though. So yeah, so just blending that out with the brush, and then next I'm going to go in with the brush to blend out that concealer. And this is an e.l.f. brush that I have had for a long time. And I just blend it out first with a brush, and then I'll go in with the sponge to tap it in to make sure it's giving me that kind of filtered look. Yeah, those two concealers together gives you maximum coverage, and it's beautiful to me. It's beautiful to me. So yeah, I'm just blending all that concealer and everything out, and then next I'll go in with my foundation brush and go around the edges just to make sure like I don't have any harsh lines like concealer, foundation. I got this big sharp line on my cheek, just trying to make sure I don't have any lines or anything. Back to the sponge again. I just pick up any kind of sponges. I need to wash those sponges. That's crazy. And I'm just singing my little heart away. So I'm using the I Heart Revolution baking powder and chocolate banana. I love this stuff too, from Ulta. I think Revolution is Drugstore. To me it is. So I just put it in all the areas that I contour, and also on my smile lines. Yeah, I love this powder. If you haven't tried this powder, you need to try it. The Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and I don't know, I'll put it in the description box. I don't know what color that was. I don't know what color that was. So yeah, so I just take that and put that all over my face for my face powder. Still using a dollar brush, best thing ever. And this was something new, the I Heart Revolution Coffee Bronzer. I got this about a week ago in Mocha, and it was actually beautiful. I'm showing you the color now, but it was actually, I ordered it offline from Revolution. This bronzed my skin beautifully. Yes, I think I want another one. I need to see if Ulta sells it, but yeah. So I'm using the NYX Line and Load. And then also I brought out an oldie but a goodie, the MILANI matte. That was the very first liquid matte lipstick that I remember ever coming out in a door. So of course it was a natural nude color, but that was the first liquid lipstick I remember. So yeah, and I like that Line and Load. It's a Line and Load, whatever it's called, liner from NYX. I wish they had it in brown, but they don't. But if they had it in brown, that would be so beautiful. Last step, I'm using that MILANI setting spray to set everything on my face. Okay guys, this is the finished look using Drugstore products. I tried to go for like an orangey look. I was feeling the orange in that palette. I just got that palette maybe last week, and I love it. The eyeshadow pigments in that palette are beautiful. So I just really wanted an orange look. I didn't want to do a nude lip. That was just too plain. So don't ask me where I get my color combination from, but I got one. So if you enjoyed this quick video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.